Hey everyone, this is Peter with at&t, and in this video we are going to be reviewing the Restaurant Story app. It is going to be very similar to Farmville applications as you've played on Facebook. What you do is you manage a restaurant, you have people eat at this restaurant, you try and gain points. The more points you gain, the faster you can expand, the more things you can add. It does have in-game buyables, so you can buy what these things are as green diamonds. If you buy those green diamonds, it essentially speeds up the process of what you can do and how fast you can do it. So again, in this game, you cook food and you lay it on this table. When people come in, they sit down and then the food is automatically delivered to them, whatever you have. You have little kind of ovens over here where you prep food. So after you prep a food, you eventually will get to a serving of it. And then again, like here, so we'll tap through to serve. And then the ovens become free for you to cook other things. So as when you go into your cookbook, you can see that food costs a certain amount of money. You get a certain amount of experience from making that food, and then it has the time. So here's where those green diamonds come into play. So some food, for example, spaghetti, takes 24 hours in the game app to cook. The green diamonds, if you have 5 of them, will cook any dish instantly. And there are some little workarounds for this. So someone recently wrote a review on the Smurf Village application where they had their Smurf Village running, and what they would do is they would start a project that would normally take, as in the case of the spaghetti, 24 hours. And they would start it, then they would go into their phone, set their clock back 24 hours, go back into the app and have it done. And they built up a crazy amount of this Smurf Village in a very short amount of time. And you can do the same on this app. So that is another workaround that you can do if you don't want to use any money in game. And again, you have all these different menu items that you can make. Once you start making a menu item, so let's make something easy. So French toast takes 1 minute. So once we tap that, then we have to tap through to prepare this item. It'll cook for that 1 minute, and at the end we have to click through twice more to prepare, and then it gets put out on this table. Once you click on an item, it'll tell you how long is left. So the clam chowder has about 14 minutes left. So with that, let's go into the editor. So when you click on design, what's weird is it actually erases everyone in there. So if you had all those people, you now don't get revenue from them anymore. So that's kind of interesting. But essentially what you can do is you just click on tables, you click on chairs, you add them to the restaurant. You try and maximize space. You know, people need 1 square to walk on at all times. So you have to keep that in mind. And then as you get more money, as you get more people, you expand out and out into this green space. It has tables, chairs, plants, appliances, serving tables. So serving tables are different than actual tables. And then finally, this different games that different things that you can buy, like a holiday box, magic shell, magic box. And then again, you can use these green coins to actually get more money. So this is how the app makes its profit. Going back into here, we can exit out, and it goes back into our game, allowing more people to come in. And then finally, if you click on this little telephone in the top right, it gives you your social community, different neighbors. You can invite friends to the app. Going to your main section will get you messages that you have in the game. The help FAQ will take you through the steps of how to do each process in the restaurant. You can look at your gifts, change different settings, again, push notifications, all that kind of stuff. So again, very similar to a Farmville type of application or a Smurf Village. It does kind of waste the time, and it does run separately. So if we were to, so as you can pay attention up top, we have 13, 307, 182, and 91. So if we were to go back to here, let's give it a few moments. As you can see in the background, we have a snow live wallpaper going. You can check out this on our holiday app review on at&t. All right, let's jump back into it then. Then as you can see, now we're up to 13,300. Or sorry, it's more than it was before. And we have more things to prepare right here. So our French toast is ready. If you serve one of the same thing, then if you run out of space, I guess it says that the chef will combine it, so these 2 dishes will jump on top of each other. And that's basically the gist of the game. So you get bigger and bigger, you get more levels, you have access to more dishes, and so on and so forth. You can check out the full article on at&t, and if you have any questions or comments, let us know below. You can find the rest of our videos by clicking on at&t underneath the video or on the right hand side, and we have tons more reviews like this of software and phones produced by Samsung running either Android or Windows Phone 7. Thanks for watching, and look forward to more videos after the holiday weekend. Have a good one.